Peter Eliades with you. This is the daily update for Thursday, October the 3rd. Let's say, first of all, that the ARMS index, the trend today, was below 1 at a 0.77. So that's the first time in over 12 days. In other words, today broke a streak of 12 consecutive days above 1. Only happened twice in the last 80 years. And you have to look upon that as potentially bullish, at least for the short term. So that doesn't mean you can't come down and test, because the last time that occurred in 2012, we made a little bottom, started a rally, and came back within the next week or two to have a test of that bottom, and it was a successful one. And we have never seen lower prices since then in the last 7 years. So there's a couple of things we want to look at today. We're going to start out with a daily charts. This is a daily chart, closing prices, S&P cash index. Here is the upside projection. It remains in effect, but boy, are we close to invalidating it. 30.91 to 31.17 and change. We're below, actually, at this point, we're below the black offset, but not the red. What you want to look for in the next couple of days, so this will be tomorrow's price right here. We should stay above this closing price in the S&P. That's 28.69.90, let's say. So let's round it off to 28.68 or 69 in the S&P. We should remain above that closing price. If not, then the upside nominal 10-week projections will be called into question. Okay, this is a closing price chart again. This offset is 20 weeks, 96.8 to 110.6 trading days for a nominal 40-week projection, which is significantly higher, 31.35 and change to 33.52 and change. That projection remains outstanding. There's a partial invalidation going below the blue line here. In order to complete that invalidation, prices have to close below both of these lines and everything in between. And for me right now, that would be where this little red line is right here. So I would say if in the next couple of days we close below 28.12, that would be an indication that potentially those big upside projections have been invalidated. Now notice that a few days out, maybe a week, week and a half to 2 weeks out, there's a lot more leeway to go down to a lower low. And that may indeed happen, and it would not if we did it a week or two out. You need to get significantly lower to assure yourself of an invalidation of these upside projections. Okay, for those of you that have short-term traders wondering what's going to happen in the next few hours in the market, this is an hourly projection chart. They work out pretty well. They're not quite as accurate as the dailies, and probably percentage-wise don't hit their projections as often, but they do a darn good job in projecting prices. So here's the very shortest upside that was given today, and it was given pretty quickly right off this low bar when we had this next move up. We got projections to 29.1603 to 29.2657. This is in the S&P cash. So this is the first level you look for tomorrow. If those projections are met, then we have even higher ones. This one actually is around the same on the upside, but the lower side of this projection is slightly higher, 29.1672 to 29.2127. And the third one is calling for significantly higher, but that one, notice, has not been confirmed. We have not gone above the blue offset line yet. If in the next 2 hours of trading, so 2 hours would take us 1, 2 would be in this area right here. If you see us above the 29.10 or 15 level in the S&P cash tomorrow, you can probably assume that this upside projection has been confirmed, and that's 29.44.23 to 29.63.85. So that's it. It's going to be relatively short. Wanted to show you the very short term. Wanted to show you the things that would invalidate those upside projections. And we'll probably have a lot more to show you tomorrow in our weekend update. In fact, tomorrow we'll look at the weekly charts. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please go and subscribe. Click on the little bell. You'll be apprised of any updates we did. And please make some comments at the close here. Tell us what you think of what we're doing and tell us what you'd like to see. Do you want more technical or do you love just the price projections? Let us know. Thanks for watching.